Okay, so welcome back, and today we're going to do an example of where we're going to deal with inverse variation. But again, ask yourselves, okay, is this inverse variation or not? Okay, so it could be direct, right? So on a test or something like that, you're not going to know, it's not going to tell you. So in this case here, let's read it. It says a 10-inch diameter gear is in mesh with a 5-inch diameter gear. Okay, so you got a larger gear meshed with a smaller gear. So as they're both one turns, so is the other one. Now if the larger gear has a speed of 25 RPMs, what is the speed of the smaller gear? So if the larger gear is spinning at a certain rate, then we know that the smaller gear has to be spinning faster, right? So the larger the gear, the slower it spins. The smaller the gear, the faster it has to spin, right? Especially if they're meshed, right? So if one gear is moving at a constant rate, the other gear has to be moving faster, but also at a constant rate. So the smaller the gears that are meshed together, right, the faster it turns. The larger gears turn slower. So anyway, there's an inverse relationship there. So these vary inversely, okay? So that means we're going to set this up like we did before. So again, we're going to set up a proportion, and we're going to take two of our points, right? So what's one related pair of data? Well, 10 inches, right? The larger gear has a speed of 25 RPM. So the 10-inch diameter gear is moving at 25 RPM. So I'm going to put 10 here, right? 10-inch diameter. And I'm going to put the 25 over here. Okay? And then the other one, so we've got to find the speed of the smaller gear. Well, what's the smaller gear? 5 inches. So we're going to put again, we got to match up the units. So the 5 inches go here, and the unknown speed that we're looking for goes here. Okay, now we just solve. So we cross multiply, and that's going to give us, let me do it this way. So that's going to give us 10 times 25 equals 5s. And then of course, if we divide both sides by 5, we get s is equal to what? Well, we get 50. Right? 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 25 is 50. So we get 50 what? 50 RPMs. Revolutions per minute. And that's the answer. So again, as soon as you know that the variation is inversely related, so or one variable varies inversely as the other variable, then this is the way you set it up. Okay? Have a great day.